This channel uploaded 11 videos, just 11, and one of them hit 170 million views. Not the channel, one single short. Tiny pans, tiny food, real sounds. That's it. The next video did 10 million, another one 2.9 million. And here's what's crazy, there's a second channel in this exact niche sitting at 2.9 million subscribers, and a third one doing it in long form, pulling 32 million views on a single video. Shorts, long form, TikTok, Instagram, this one format is eating every platform right now. And at an estimated $1 RPM, 170 million views works out to roughly 6 figures from one video. No face, no camera, no team. Now here's why you need to watch this till the very end. I'm going to make one of these videos completely with AI, right in front of you. The images, the motion, the sound, all of it, using Claude's brand new Fable 5 model. Every click, every prompt, on screen. But there are two moments in this process where 99% of people get it wrong, and their videos come out looking fake and die at 300 views. The first mistake happens in the very first prompt. The second one, that's the final step. The one thing that makes these videos look real instead of AI, and I'm saving it for the end, because if you skip it, nothing else in this video matters. Miss either one, and you've wasted your time. Catch both, and you can have your first video uploaded tonight. Let's start. So to make this video, the first thing you need is a prompt, and I've done the hard work for you. I've built 3 ready-made prompts for this exact niche, and the link is in the description. Just comment prompt down below and I'll make sure you get them. Now watch closely. Copy the first prompt. Open Claude AI, links below as well. Paste that first prompt right here in the chat box. But before you hit anything, this part matters. Go down to the model section, click Set Model and select Fable 5, not the default, Fable 5. This is Claude's newest model, and it's the reason these videos come out looking real instead of AI plastic. Now click Send. Within a second, Claude asks you 2 quick questions. First, who's your target audience? Just type it in. Second, what dish do you want? Type whatever food you want your miniature cooking video on. Hit generate. Boom, 10 topic ideas generated in seconds. Look at this, 10 ready-to-go video topics sitting right in front of you. No brainstorming, no research, nothing. Alright, our 10 topics are ready. Now pick any one of them because it's time to actually generate the video. And for that, we're using Higgsfield AI. Here's the best part. Right now, every new Higgsfield MCP user gets 100 free credits inside Claude. 100 free. That's more than enough to make your first viral video. But to use it, you need to connect Higgsfield directly into Claude, and this takes literally 30 seconds. Watch. Go to Higgsfield AI, links in the description, click on MCP CLI, and copy this command. That's it, just copy it. Now come back to Claude, click here, go to Connectors, and hit the Add Connector button. Give it a name, just type Higgsfield. Then paste the command you just copied right here, and click Add. And just like that, Higgsfield is now living inside your Claude. No switching tabs, no separate accounts, no downloading anything. Claude can now generate images and videos directly using Higgsfield's engine. Higgsfield is connected. Now this is the step where your video actually starts coming to life. Go back to that Google Doc I gave you and copy prompt number 2, the complete prompt top to bottom. Now come back to Claude. First, take the topic you picked from your 10 ideas and paste it in. Then paste prompt number 2 right under it and hit generate. Now watch what happens. Claude first tells you exactly how many images this video needs. It plans the whole thing out for you, shot by shot. And right below that, it starts preparing your first image automatically through Higgsfield. And look at this, my first image is ready. A real miniature cooking scene, generated in seconds. Then Claude asks you right in the chat, should I prepare the next image? You type yes. That's it, 1 letter. Hit generate and the next image starts cooking. Sometimes it gives you 2 options for one shot. Just pick the best one and download it. Then type yes again and it keeps going. Yes, generate, yes, generate. Claude already told you how many you need, in my case 6. So you just keep typing yes until Claude says all 6 are ready. And there they are. 6 images, 1 consistent tiny kitchen, 0 design skills needed. But images don't go viral, video does. In the next step, we're turning these into actual video. Now for the part you've been waiting for, turning those 6 images into actual moving video. And here's the thing, you don't even need to download the images. Claude already has them. Everything happens in one place. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the entire prompt number 3, come back to Claude, paste it in the chat box, and hit generate. Now watch closely, because this is beautiful. Claude first writes a professional motion video prompt for you. The camera movement, the sizzle, the steam, the tiny hand pouring into the tiny pan, all of it automatically. You didn't write a word, and right below that, Higgsfield kicks in and starts generating your first video clip. When that clip is ready, you type 1 word, yes. That's it. Claude instantly writes the motion prompt for your next image and starts generating clip number 2. Videos ready? Type yes again. Next prompt, next clip. You just repeat this. Yes, 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 until every single image has become a video clip. No editing software, no keyframes, no timeline. Claude is writing the prompts and generating the clips for you. And look at these results. Honestly, it's insane. Real steam, real motion, real sound-ready shots. This looks exactly like those 170 million view channels. To download, click the download option here, a pop-up opens, hit the open link button, and your clip opens in a new tab. Click the 3 dots, download. Repeat that for every clip, one by one, and in 2 minutes they're all sitting on your device. Now the final step, stitching them into one complete video. You can use any editor, but I'm using CapCut because it's free. Open CapCut, click Import, and select every clip you downloaded. Now drag them onto the timeline, first clip first, second clip second, all the way to the end. Once it looks clean, hit Export and your finished miniature cooking video is saved to your device. Ready for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, all 3 at once. Quick one, if this is helping, hit subscribe, it genuinely helps the channel. Higgsfield's link is in the description, connect it with Claude, and grab your 100 free credits before this offer changes. Now, let's watch the final result. That's a fully AI-generated miniature cooking video. No camera, no team, no kitchen. If you want the niche that's blowing up even bigger than this one, watch this video next. See you there.